All right, welcome to 13135 here on the MSC Divina. So come in here. The bathroom is going to be on our left. We'll come back to that in a second. Then we have our queen size bed here. It's not quite a king. Do have lights on both sides of the bed, but there is no USB. It's an older ship. Not terribly old, but old enough that there's no USB on either side of the bed, just as a heads up for you. Like I said, little nightstands, places to hold things. Little desk here, which is really nice. I'm going to have a little workspace. You have two US and two European plugs there. Again, no USB there either. I do have a little USB hub there to plug everything in. Little ottoman underneath. Then as you come back here, you have your TV and a couple shelves there. We have a very cute, very small balcony. Like I said, this is a junior balcony cabin. So we have a small balcony here. I'll pop it out real quick. Two chairs, little table there. Perfect size just for me. I am sailing alone on this one. And then we have a beautiful shot of Miami here. And turn around and come back, you see you have the full-length mirror. These giant mirrors do a good job to help make the room appear bigger. Makes it feel bigger, which is nice. Then we have our bathroom here, right to the left as you come in. Standard glass doors, which is nice. No shower curtains, toilet, couple shelves, and your sink. Very basic, very utilitarian. And right here, you see you have your panel where you can make it cooler or warmer. Key card. And then you do have a really nice amount of storage here. I'm going to open up each of these, but you have three cabinets here. The bottom one here is your mini fridge, just so you're aware. First one here, got some space, just hang up some stuff. Second one is full size with your safe. Safe is very big. And then you have drawers here to put a bunch of stuff in, which is very, very nice. And then your third one, again, tons of hanging space. And then place for your luggage or your bag. I put my luggage under the bed, so I always put my backpack here. I carry light. I come with just carry on. So there you go. This is room 13135, junior balcony on board the MSC Divina. All right, now that you had a chance to see the room, I'm going to give you my little review of it. I really enjoy this room. I think it's a perfect size for me. Again, I'm in a junior. This is a junior balcony considered. It seems like a regular balcony. I don't notice much of a difference here. I do like a lot of the elements of the room. The bed is very comfortable. It is queen-ish size, not quite king. Totally fine. Again, no USB in the room, but it's an older ship. I'm okay with that. I have a plug-in. I'll show everybody what I use here. So I have a one plug because you're not allowed to bring, I don't even know if MSC cares, but most of the cruise lines now, you're not allowed to bring a multi-plug. This is a one plug, so one outlet that goes into the wall. And then it has three USB-C, and they're the fast charging ones that can do a laptop and stuff, or the high-powered ones. One of them is anyway. So one of them is the high-powered one. The other two are just standard USB-C. 3 USB-A ports on this. This is Anchor. It's great. I take it everywhere. So that is awesome. So yeah, standard balcony here. Other than the lack of USB ports, there's a desk here. I'm sitting at the desk right now. There's plenty of space on the desk. You have the TV. There's tons of space over there for other things. Like I put all my other stuff from the room there, the ice bucket, the cups, the tray, TV remote, all of that. The TV is here. It's easily accessible if you want to plug in anything to the back of it. The balcony is a very nice size, decent balcony. It's not huge, but it's fine. Nice view. It is, I guess, what would be considered obstructed. So I'm below like the buffet-ish area. I'm out front of it, so I'm not directly below it, but there's an overhang there, so I guess it's technically obstructed, but it's not really obstructed at all. And then plenty of space here, very utilitarian. It's been very quiet. My room steward's great, so everything is good. I do appreciate MSC also the soap and shampoo. I know most people won't use it anyway, they'll bring their own. But it's not bad, and it smells nice. It's fine for what I need on a cruise. Obviously, low maintenance here, not a ton of hair to take care of or anything like that. So I understand people have special needs and all that for their products. Other than that, it has been a delightful room. So there you have it. This is room 13135, Junior Balcony on MSC Divina. Thanks, everyone. Happy cruising. Bye.